The plate is the table that the workpiece slides across as it is pulled through the planer. It is made of stainless steel and has a very smooth finish on it to reduce friction. After years of use, the plate can become warped, which can result in the planer no longer producing flat workpieces. A badly scratched plate can cause enough friction that the rollers might slip. Replacing the plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by raising the cutter head up as high as it'll go. Now remove the fence from one side of the table. Be careful as you do this because the knives are exposed. Now I can just slide the plate to the side and remove it from the planer. To install the new table, I'll line the tabs with the slots in the fence, slide it in place, and then reinstall the fence that we removed earlier. And I'll secure the fence with the screws. And that's how you can replace the plate in your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.